You ever noticed how the harder you push, the slower it feels like you're moving? You're doing everything right. You're posting, planning, journaling, grinding, yet your body feels heavier. Your focus feels scattered and your motivation is gone. That's not burnout. That's your nervous system slamming the brakes on success. You see, most entrepreneurs think the enemy is procrastination. It's not, it's protection. You've been working against a part of your brain that's just trying to keep you safe. We were raised on this idea that success equals struggle. Work hard, keep your head down, grind till it hurts. But the paradox is, the more pressure you apply, the more your nervous system assumes you're in danger. So it slows you down, distracts you, makes you scroll, get a snack, or rethink your niche for the 50th time. That isn't failure, it's just physics. Your body can't create expansion from a state of threat. So here's the neuroscience. The part of your brain responsible for survival, the limbic system, doesn't understand goals, income targets, or morning routines. It understands safety. So if success once cost you safety, maybe it meant exhaustion, rejection, or shame. Your brain wires success as danger. Every time you push harder, it's quietly whispering, "We've been here before. It wasn't safe then." That's why you sabotage the week you start winning. That's why comfort feels boring. That's why you can't rest even when you're tired. Your mind isn't broken, it's just remembering. And the biggest mistake I see entrepreneurs make is trying to outwork their nervous system. You can't logic your way past a body that still believes hustle equals harm. What you need isn't another productivity hack, it's a new baseline of safety. When your body trusts you, when it realizes success doesn't mean self-destruction, your brain finally lets you grow. That's when clarity, consistency, and confidence stop being things you chase and start being how you operate. I've seen this play out hundreds of times. The six-figure coach who couldn't enjoy his wins because every sale felt like pressure. The property investor who kept burning down her routines because her nervous system only knew chaos. Once they stopped trying to force success and started working with their wiring, everything changed. They didn't suddenly get smarter, they just stopped fighting themselves. If you've been telling yourself, "I just need to work harder," stop. Your next level isn't hiding in your to-do list, it's hiding in your nervous system. I built something called the Subconscious Sabotage Decoder. It shows you in under 15 minutes exactly how your brain's been keeping you stuck and how to rewire it. Because the thing is, you were never lazy. You were just trying to stay safe. Run the decoder, then come back for episode 2, where we'll break down the hidden tax of overthinking and why your brain keeps predicting failure, even when you're doing everything right. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.